Hello, I am Professor BigFoot. Today, I teach you about inflation. Don't worry, it's simple. We just need bananas. When bananas are rare, they are valuable. One banana can trade for shiny rocks, maybe a whole basket of berries. But if banana trees grow everywhere, suddenly, banana not special. Each banana worth less. That is inflation, chat. When the thing you use every day loses value. Imagine monkeys suddenly want more bananas than usual. Farmers cannot grow fast enough. Bananas become expensive. We call this demand-pull inflation. More demand, same supply, higher prices. But storm destroys half the trees. Now flip it. Monkeys still want the same bananas. Bananas are harder to find. Prices climb again. This is cost-push inflation. Less supply, higher prices. Sometimes, it's not bananas that change, but the leaves used to buy them. If jungle government prints too many leaves, every monkey has piles of them. But bananas stay the same number, so price of banana goes up. Leaves lose their power. This is monetary inflation. And if printing goes crazy, we get hyperinflation. Bananas cost millions of leaves. Leaves pile up like garbage. At that point, monkeys laugh or cry. But remember, not all inflation is bad. A little bit of inflation is healthy. It keeps monkeys spending leaves, businesses growing, and more banana trees being planted. Controlled inflation keeps the jungle moving. The problem is balance. If leaves grow faster than bananas, monkeys feel poor. If bananas disappear while leaves stay the same, monkeys also feel poor. Balance is everything. So what can monkeys do? Don't just hoard leaves. Plant banana trees. Invest in baskets of fruit. Trade with other jungles. That way, when prices bounce around, you still have bananas growing for the future. Inflation is not a monster under the bed, but if ignored, it can eat all your bananas. Stay wise, invest smart, and always listen to Professor BigFoot.
Subscribe to this channel to learn about finance concepts.